Good morning, everyone. I am the moderator from group 10. Here I am the first speak, Tina.
Oke, baik. Bentar ya. Nursing diagnosis. Next, nursing diagnosis. Comfort diagnosis. Simple present. Exercise on simple present, simple past, and sentences. Then attacks and compensation diagnosing and new patients. Nursing seat come to see the doctor in competence diagnosis and new patient. Smith comes to see doctor present unilingual. Mercy, good morning, doctor. Good morning, Mercy. Smith, yes, I am fine. Doctor, I will don't please sit to be approved to be proven. Mercy, okay, thank you. I feel and also to get that. Do you bring will? You yes, I feel for to text. No ID. Yeah. Did you publish the links I mentioned in plans percent? Yes, I think it.
Madam Eric for taking the data of my records. Dr. Okay, I see. Is that something serious, doctor? We will know more after you discuss that in the lab. As you have finished the test, you can come back here, and we can know more of the results have come in. Miss Smith, okay, doc, thank you, doctor. You are very welcome. You are very welcome. After that sentence, Miss Smith comes back to good afternoon. Oh, Miss Smith, sit down, please. Miss Smith, thank you, doc. Doctor, do you bring all the test results? Miss Smith, yes, I do already are. Doctor, okay, let me take a look at test results first. The doctor reads the test results carefully. Doctor, unlike Miss Smith, from the test result I can diagnose that you are infected by malaria parasite. Here it can be seen that you are positively infected by that parasite. Miss Smith, yes, I see, doctor. So, you should be hospitalized, Miss Smith, in order that you can be treated intensively. Miss Smith, okay, doc. I will take your suggestion. Thank you, doctor. Okay, good. Yes, you're welcome.
Oke, baik. Dilanjutkan oleh Atagula.
Baik, saya akan melanjutkan example of expression in diagnosis. Physical. The test result have come in. Bahasa Indonesianya, hasil tes Anda telah keluar. Kemudian you have a long road to recovery, yang artinya butuh waktu lama untuk pemulihan. Kemudian we have several options to discuss, artinya ada beberapa opsi yang perlu kita bicarakan dan didiskusikan. Kemudian the blood test came back negatif, artinya hasil tes darah menyatakan negatif. Kemudian the transfusion was a success, artinya transfusinya berjalan lancar dan berhasil. Kemudian I look like you're ready to go home, artinya sepertinya Anda sudah dapat pulang. Kemudian you need to be here overnight, yang artinya Anda perlu rawat inap selama semalam lagi. Kemudian we'll know where in a few days, yang artinya kita akan tahu lebih mengenai hal tersebut dalam beberapa hari. Kemudian I don't understand what this means, yang artinya saya tidak paham apa artinya ini. Kemudian am I going to need surgery, yang artinya apakah saya perlu dioperasi. Kemudian is it good news or bad, yang artinya berita baik atau buruk. Kemudian where will the test result come in, yang artinya kapan hasil tesnya akan keluar. Kemudian how long I have to stay in the hospital, yang artinya berapa lama saya harus dirawat di rumah sakit. Kemudian in the success rate, bagaimana tingkat kesuksesan saya. Kemudian the going to run more tests, yang artinya apakah mereka akan melakukan tes lagi. Kemudian is this a common problem for people my age, yang artinya apakah ini masalah yang umum bagi orang-orang seumuran seperti saya. Kemudian it like to discuss of other options, yang artinya saya akan membicarakan opsi lainnya. Kemudian I'm going to get a second opinion, yang artinya saya perlu mendapatkan opini dari pihak lain. Kemudian patent symptoms, I have got a high temperature, saya demam sedikit. I very exhausted, yang artinya saya merasa sangat lelah. Kemudian call you check my blood pressure, I got high blood pressure recently, dapatkah Anda mengecek tekanan darah saya? Tekanan darah saya tinggi akhir-akhir ini. Kemudian I feel a pain here, saya merasakan sedikit sakit. Kemudian I feel dizzy, I got a kidney problem, I lost weight, yang artinya saya merasa pusing, saya memiliki masalah pada ginjal saya kehilangan berat badan. Kemudian I was felt bad after men, I got a stomach, yang artinya saya selalu merasa tidak enak setelah makan. Saya merasa sakit perut. Kemudian I got splitting headache, I often have nosebleed, yang artinya saya sakit kepala serasa mau pecah, saya sering mimisan. Kemudian pasien simptom, yang pertama I have diarrhea, yang artinya saya diare, saya kehilangan nafsu makan. Kemudian I got blood circulation problem, I sweat alright, artinya saya memiliki masalah sirkulasi darah, saya berkeringat semalaman. Kemudian my ears are buzzing, yang artinya telinga saya berdengung. Yang kemudian I face pain atau ankle, yang artinya pergelangan kaki saya keseleo. Kemudian my hand is deadly swollen, yang artinya tangan saya berbengkak parah. Yang kemudian I have an injury in my leg, yang artinya saya memiliki luka di kaki. Yang artinya apakah ini hal yang serius? Apakah ini masalah yang umum pada usia saya? Kemudian I hope there won't be any complication. Yang artinya saya harap tidak akan ada komplikasi. Kemudian kemudian call you receive some medicate for me. Dapatkah Anda menulis resep obat untuk saya? Kemudian how often so intake medicate? Yang artinya seberapa sering saya harus meminum obat ini. Kemudian shall in come back next week if I don't get better. Yang artinya apakah saya perlu kembali lagi minggu depan jika saya tidak kunjung membaik. Kemudian medical equipment and tools. Pertama pill, yaitu pill, kemudian tablet, kapsul, kemudian sirup, artinya sirup, ointment, yang artinya salep, krim, yang artinya krim, artinya tetes mata, kemudian injection atau suntikan, kemudian tranquilizer atau obat penenang, kemudian painkiller, artinya menghilang rasa sakit, kemudian antiseptik, yang artinya antiseptik, kemudian bandage atau disebut artinya perban, kemudian breach yang artinya penjepit, kemudian gauze yang artinya kain kasa, kemudian plaster yang artinya plaster, kemudian elastic tape yang artinya plaster elastik atau karet, kemudian termometer yang artinya termometer, kemudian stetoskop yang artinya stetoskop, kemudian siringe yang artinya semprotan, kemudian cap yang artinya gunting tang, kemudian oksigen mask atau masker oksigen, kemudian test tube atau pipa tes, kemudian vial yang artinya botol kecil, kemudian crutcher yang artinya tongkat penopang, kemudian wheel chain yang artinya kursi roda. Kemudian active and passive voice. What is in the voice in the room and verb text to indicate whether the subject of perform or record the action. There are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. Number one, active voice. Active voice is asset to slow that the subject of the sentence is performing or causing the action. Formula subject plus verb plus object plus complement. Example, weekend or hot yesterday. Yang artinya kami membersihkan rumah kami kemarin. Kemudian she did invite me to the party. Yang artinya ia tidak mengundang saya ke pesta tersebut. Kemudian they did study much last night. Yang artinya mereka tidak belajar matematika tadi malam. Kemudian when did father paint me my room. Yang artinya kapan ayah mengecat kamarku. Kemudian Susan visit her grandparents in Kalimantan last Sunday. Yang artinya Susan mengunjungi kakek neneknya di Kalimantan pada hari Minggu lalu. Kemudian active voice dalam present tense. Ini dalam bahasa Indonesianya simple present punctuate for fact event that are happening. Adverb of them as it include always, very, often, never, something, usually, dan other. Formula subject plus verb 1. If the subject is he, she, it, the name of a boy or girl, as well as other pronouns that indicate he is a boy or a girl, then usually the suffix or is in verb 1. Example, Tamara reads a book. Penjelasannya, kata read termasuk jenis irregular verb yang tidak mengalami perubahan bentuk seperti kata cut, put, dan let. Number 2, simple past tense. Simple past tense refers to express effort that occurred in the past. Information of time asset, including yesterday, ago, in less, and outer. Formula subject plus verb 2. Example, my mother cooked a pan of soup. Number 3, simple future tense. The simple future tense refers to express action that will occur in the future that cannot be included, as well as to state decisions that will be taken for the future. The time information asset include tomorrow and outer. Formula subject plus will plus verb 1. Example, he will play football tonight. Number 2, passive voice. Passive voice is usually when the subject is the recipient of the action. Active voice tell us what a person or thing does. The subject for the action verb on the object. Rumusnya subject plus verb plus object. Example, Anna paint the house. Kemudian the teacher always answer the student question. Kemudian Ali posted the video online. Kemudian passive voice tell us what is done to someone or something. That subject is being acted upon. Rumus object plus verb plus subject. Example, the house was painted by Anna. Kemudian the student question are answered by the teacher. Kemudian the video was posted online by Ali. Active voice, Buddy at an apple. Passive voice, an apple was eaten by Buddy. Passive voice object, the car sebagai objek was referred sebagai aksi of the road Bisali sebagai objek. Kemudian Timmy sebagai objek yang menjadi action was bitten. On the arm B yang jadi subjeknya adalah the dog. Di sini ada tabel present dalam simple to be verb ketiga, am, is, her disebut dengan simple to be verb ketiga. Kemudian continue verb yang jadi continue verb to being verb ketiganya I'm eager. Kemudian yang jadi perfect to have been verb ketiganya am is are. Kemudian past yang jadi simple to be ketiganya adalah was dan were. Kemudian past dalam continue to be verb ketiga sama juga disebut was dan were. Kemudian past dalam perfect to been verb ketiga artinya was dan were. Kemudian dalam future simple to be ketiganya shall will. Kemudian future continue to be being tidak ada. Kemudian dalam future perfect to be have been verb ketiga disebut dengan we have been verb 3. Kemudian present, past, and future. Sentence person, I was my shoes. Passive voice, my horse was had by me. Kemudian dalam past, here was my clothes. Passive voice-nya my clothes were was by him. Kemudian future, I will tell you. Passive voice-nya you will be taught by me. Kemudian perfect, dan perfect, John has used to this laptop. Passive voice-nya this laptop has been used by John. Di sini ada tense, present simple, aktif dan pasif. I aktifnya do my homework. Homework dalam pasifnya my homework is done. Kemudian present tense-nya present continue. Kata aktifnya I'm going my homework. Kata pasifnya my homework was done. Kemudian past continuous kata aktifnya I was doing my homework. Kata pasifnya my homework was being done. Kemudian present perfect. Kata aktifnya I have done my homework. Dalam kata pasifnya my homework has been done. Kemudian past perfect. Kata aktifnya I had done my homework. Kata pasifnya homework has been done. Kemudian future simple. Kata aktifnya I will do my homework. Kata pasifnya my homework will be done. Kemudian future be doing too. Kata aktifnya I'm going to do my homework. Kata pasifnya my homework is going to be done.